you open it?
Next, you can open it.
There you go. There you go.
Some towing.
What is it?
Some towing. Some
What is it?
ducky.
What kind of duckies?
What is it dressed as?
Go
Huh?
in the water.
Do they look like hockey players?
Huh.
Do they?
Wow, they got lots of ducks,
Look,
huh?
You got a hockey stick? That's pretty cool, huh?
It's a park.
Where's the puck?
On it, 1, 2. And he has a hockey stick. Ooh.
Look, he has a hockey stick too. Wow. Those are going to be fun in the bathtub, huh? You can have a whole hockey game in the bathtub.
He has a hockey stick.
Yeah. Cool, huh?
Well, there's a lot of them. You have enough for 2 teams, huh? Well, maybe you have enough for 3 teams.
We have one, 2.
What else you got in here?
The flyer.
A flyer shirt. Wow.
Let Daddy see. Can I see?
Wow.
Wow, what does it say?
Play hockey. You have to skate.